Coming to this, it is DR 1786. We have to find the value of A for which at least one root is greater than 2. Before starting the solution, हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे अगर y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c है और a पॉजिटिव है तो graph of this one will become opening upward graph. And also I can say this is x-axis. If you are having any point alpha comma beta, I can say that beta will be positive because it is above x-axis. If it is here some gamma comma delta, I can say delta will become negative because it is below x-axis. Also I can say that if a curve is cutting here, it is quadratic curve like this, roots are distinct. Real. Now I can say that if it is like this, touching, roots are real, equal. Now I come to this one. At least one root must be greater than 2. I have here it is exactly one root is greater than 2 and one root is less than 2. Or another possibility is one root is greater than 2 and other root is equal to 2. And the third possibility is both the roots are greater than 2. Coming to the first case where one root is greater than 2 and other root is less than 2. I can say that the graph will be something like this. If the graph is like this, here this is the bigger root greater than 2 and this is the smaller that is less than 2. I can say यहाँ से जो point मिलेगा that is 2 comma f of 2. I mean to say here it is f of x is equal to this given quadratic expression x square minus a minus 3x plus a. Now I can say that f of 2 will become negative. This is because the point is below x-axis. I have to solve here f of 2. I am putting at the place of x 2. 4 minus 2 times a minus 3 plus a. This is minus 2a plus a minus a, and this is plus 6 plus 4 is less than 0. Minus a plus 10 is less than 0 or a is greater than 10. So a belongs to 10 to infinity. This is the result of the first case wherein I have assumed one root bigger and one root smaller. I come to the second case. One root is equal to 2 and other root is bigger than 2. This is a number, is a root which is bigger than 2. Now I can say that the vertex here will be greater than this. I can say here vertex is from here minus of minus a minus 3 divided by 2 into 1 must be greater than 2. Now I say here it is after solving this I will get a minus 3 is greater than 4, a is greater than 7. Also I am finding that the value of this one at x is equal to is 0. I say f of 2 equal to 0. F of 2, that is at the place of x I am putting equal to 0. So I will get the same expression what I have given, I have obtained here. I directly write minus a plus 10 equal to 0. From this I am getting a is equal to 10. I have to take the intersection of these two. Both conditions are necessary here. So from these two I can say that A belongs to 10. This is the result of case 2. Now case 3. If it is case 3, then I write here it is both the roots are greater than 2. I have drawn here it is the graph of quadratic. Here both roots are greater than 2, and also I have drawn here the roots are distinct. In the question, nowhere it is given that the roots are distinct. Maybe the roots are equal or the distinct. I can say that there is another possibility of this. So I write here the graph will be like this or like this. Let us come to this and write here it is the value of function f of x at the point 2. Maybe it is this graph or this graph. I can say that the point here will be above x-axis, here also will be above x-axis. For both this I can write f of 2 is greater than 0. Second thing, the vertex here. I can say that vertex is right side of 2. Vertex, the x coordinate of the vertex is right side of 2. That is, I can say that this x coordinate will be greater than 2 minus of minus a minus 3 divided by 2 into 1 is greater than 2. I write the third condition, that is regarding the discriminant. Here it is discriminant positive, here it is discriminant equal to 0. Both this I can say discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. I write the third condition, discriminant greater than or equal to 0. I have to solve these three conditions. First thing, f of 2 is greater than 0, then I write here it is f of 2 greater than 0 minus a plus 10 is greater than 0. That means a is less than 10. Second thing, from here I will get a greater than 7. That is the same thing what I have solved in the previous one. That is a greater than 7. From the third, now I have to write here it is d greater than or equal to 0. I will write here d greater than or equal to 0, which is a new condition for me. B square, that is I will write here a minus 3 whole square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Now it is a square minus 6a plus 9 minus 4a is greater than or equal to 0. I have to find the factors of this. Minus 10 I can write 9 and 1. A square minus 9a minus a plus 9 is greater than or equal to 0. A minus 1, a minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. I have to mark the signs here, plus minus plus. Because it is equality, I will consider the point 1 and 9 also. A belongs to minus infinity to 1 union 9 to infinity. This is my third condition. I have to take here it is intersection of this first, this second and this is third. Because there are three conditions, it is easy for me if I draw a real line and take intersection. I am drawing here it is a real line. Now I draw the first condition. For this I need here it is 10. A is less than 10. Second condition, I am drawing here it is a greater than 7. I come to the third condition, a from minus infinity to 1 union 9 to 7. Here it is somewhere 9 to infinity, 9 to infinity, and here it will be somewhere 1. I am taking the intersection of 1, 2, 3 conditions. These three conditions overlapping region, I have to see here it is the dark region, this is the dark lines here. Therefore I am getting a belongs to close interval 9 to open interval 10. This is my third case. Now I have to take the union of 1, 2, 3 cases. Now the first case, second case and third case, union. Therefore I will get A belongs to, that is 10 to infinity, union 10, union, close interval 9 to 10. First result, second and third result, all the three combining, I can write here it is A belongs to 9 to infinity. Hence this is the answer.